Welcome to Sarasasa Montessori School. This is Health Matayong 2, and my name is Teacher Carla Circulado. Okay, let's start our lesson by reading our vocabulary words. So please listen carefully as I read the first set of words. Swelling, swelling. Adult, adult. Gain, gain. Now repeat after me. Swelling, adult. Gain. Very good. Now listen again as I read the second set of words. Gradually, gradually. Enlarge, enlarge. Pimple, pimple. Now repeat after me. Gradually. Enlarge. Pimple. Very good. Now listen again as I read the third and last set of words. Puberty, puberty. Hip, hip. Testis, testis. Now repeat after me. Puberty. Hip, testis. Very good. Okay, now let's do our dictation of 3 words. Bring out your notebook or your piece of paper and write down activity number, the date, the month, and the year. And don't forget to put your name as well. So let's begin. Number 1. Spell the word swelling. Number 1. Swelling. Number 2. Spell the word gradually. Number 2. Gradually. And number 3. Spell the word adult. Number 3. Adult. Okay, now let's check your answers. Bring out your red pen to check your answer. If your answer is correct, please put 1, and if your answer is incorrect, copy the correct answer. Okay, let's read together and spell together. Number 1, swelling. S-W-E-L-L-I-N-G. Swelling. Number 2, gradually. G-R-A-D-U-A-L-L-Y. Gradually. And number 3, adult. A-D-U-L-T. Adult. Very good. Now let's talk about our topic for today, which is in Unit 1, Growth and Development. Okay, open your books, everybody, on page 3. As we will talk about our next topic, which is the signs of puberty in girls. Okay, let's read together first. There are some certain changes for boys and girls that are signs of puberty. Very good. Okay. In girls, breast gradually swell. Everybody repeat after me. Breasts gradually swell. Very good. So this is what we can notice when the girls hit puberty. Okay, let's read this. Breast development is caused by hormones released by the ovaries at puberty. Okay, so the breasts swell because of the hormones that are coming from our ovaries. Okay, it also says most girls begin getting breasts at around 10 or 11 years old. But it's normal to start anytime between ages 8 to 13. As you can see in our picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because breasts gradually swell, meaning our breasts do not develop overnight or just one day and it will be big like this. No, it happens gradually over time, okay? Of course, the hormones causes the fats. Okay, they accumulate the fats, causing our breasts to swell. Okay, that's why you can notice, ladies, that your breast is starting to grow. Okay, let's move on. Okay, next one. In girls, hips become wider and rounder. Everybody repeat after me. Hips become wider and rounder. Very good. So the morphology of female pelvis is influenced by hormonal changes in puberty. Okay, women have wider hips than men because their pelvis must allow for birth. So let's see this picture first. Okay, so this is during puberty already, but we can see our body or the hips is getting wider and also getting rounder. Okay, you can compare the two pictures because of the hormones during puberty. Okay, so this is the pelvic of a female. This is the pelvic of the female. It gets wider than male, okay? Because female needs to widen their pelvic because they give birth. Women gets pregnant and they give birth. That's why their pelvic needs to be widened. Okay? But boys do not give birth. That's why their pelvic are more closer. Okay, so when the pelvic is more wider, it causes our hips to get wider and rounder. Okay, next. In girls, pubic hair and armpit hair appear. Everybody repeat after me. Pubic hair and armpit hair appear. Very good. So coarser hair will begin to grow in the genital area, under the arms, and on the legs. Okay, this part of puberty is called adrenarche. Okay, so for the girls, it says coarser hair, meaning thicker and curler. Okay, as we go on puberty, our hair will start to appear in the genital area, okay, or in the vaginal area. Okay, we'll also have hair under our arms or the armpit hair. Okay, so I think everybody here in this class is also experiencing this. Okay, we are developing our pubic hair and our armpit hair, and on the legs as well. Okay, next. Okay, repeat after me. In girls, height and weight will gain quickly. Your turn. Very good. So most girls grow fastest about 6 months before their first period. Okay, so ladies, before you start your menstruation or your period, the blood coming out of the vagina, you get taller. Okay, you get taller or increase in height. Okay, ladies also experience gaining weight, particularly in the belly area, okay, or in the tummy, in the stomach. And some call it the baby fats. Okay, ladies, gain area, particularly in the belly area. That fat will be distributed in the breast, arms, and thighs. Okay, repeat after me. In girls, pimples may appear on the face. Very good. So as we already know, the boys also have pimples and the girls as well. Okay, we know that it is caused by the overactive oil glands in the skin. During puberty, our ovaries produce hormones and it becomes stimulated and active during puberty. And we also know that acne is also genetic. So if other people in our family have more pimples during their puberty, we will also get pimples. It's possible, okay? Next. Repeat after me. In girls, menstruation or period will start. Very good. Most girls gets their first period when they are around 12, but getting it anytime between age 10 and 5 is okay. 15 is okay. Okay? These hormones cause the lining of the uterus to build up. The lining breaks down and bleeds when a woman does not get pregnant. So it says that during puberty, the girls can start their menstruation or the getting blood at around 12 years old. Okay, but some girls start early or later. Okay, so the bleeding is caused by the uterus. Okay, so this is the uterus and the hormones is causing the lining to build up. Okay, so when the woman does not get pregnant, the lining will break down, causing it to bleed. Okay, you see the bleeding here. Okay, because the girl does not pregnant or the lady does not pregnant, it will break down in bleeding. Okay, let's do our exercise. Bring out your notebook and write activity. We'll do fill in the blank. Number 1, choose your answer in the box. Breast gradually blank. Shoes swell or shrink. Number 2, hips become blank and rounder. Shoes wider or longer. And number 3, blank and armpit hair appear. Choose armpit hair or pubic hair. Number 4, height and blank will gain quickly. Hair or weight. And number 5, menstruation or blank will start. Line or period. Okay, just repeat the slide to get the questions again. Okay, so our summary for today, we talk about the puberty signs in girls. Okay, the breast swelling, the hips become wider, pubic hair and armpit hair appear, the height and weight also will gain, the pimples will appear on faces, and menstruation will start. Thank you so much, students. Hope you all listened today. Don't forget to wash your hands, wear your mask, stay at home, eat healthy foods, and we will see you soon. Goodbye.